World Migratory Bird Day was initiated in 2006 by Secretariat of the Agreement on Conservation of African Eurasian Migratory Water Birds, or AEWA, in collaboration with the Secretariat of the Convention on Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals, or CMS. Originally, the idea of designating a day for migratory birds arose in the United States in 1993, when the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, the Smithsonian Migratory Bird Center, and the Cornell Laboratory of Ornithology initiated celebrations of the International Migratory Bird Day, or IMBD, which encourages bird festivals and education programs across the Americas. Although this day was and continues to be successfully celebrated in the Western Hemisphere, something similar was missing for the rest of the world. On the occasion of its 10th anniversary in 2005, the AEWA Secretariat initiated the Migratory Water Bird Days, or MWD, which were held in Africa, Europe, and parts of Asia. As this event was well received in the African Eurasian region, it was decided to broaden the scope to a commemorative day that celebrates all migrating birds on a global scale. The first World Migratory Bird Day was launched by AEWA and CMS on the weekend of April 8th and 9th of 2006 on Miss Cookie Gilman's famous wildlife reserve, O.R. Nairo, in Laikipia, Kenya. The central event at the launch, called Wings, was inspired by the phenomenon of bird migration and was attended by a number of international personalities from the worlds of art, business, and conservation. Since then, WMBD has been celebrated annually and has been growing in popularity each year. The global campaign continues to be organized centrally from Bonn, Germany, by the CMS and AEWA secretariats. Every year, more countries, organizations, and people are joining the campaign. On October 26, 2017, the margins of the CMS COP12 in Manila, Environment for the Americas, or EFTA, the Convention of Migratory Species, CMS, and the Agreement on the Conservation of African Eurasian Migratory Water Birds, or AEWA, announced an innovative partnership to increase awareness of the plight of migratory birds around the world. The new partnership formally unites two of the world's largest bird education campaigns, International Migratory Bird Day and the World Migratory Bird Day, in a bid to strengthen global recognition and appreciation of migratory birds and highlight the urgent need for their conservation. Starting in 2018, the new joint campaign adopted the single name of World Migratory Bird Day, and major events to celebrate the day was organized twice a year on the second Saturday in May and in October. That actually reminds me of the time my brother and I actually went to, I forget which place it was, but it was where the birds came in, and like when they were migrating either like north or south, but they flew in and landed in the lake, and that was the area where we weren't allowed to fly a drone because of it. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next one.